Hi, my name is Alicia Nikolenko and I am the owner and creator of Mosaic Professionals. Today I will show you how to make sugar nails. Let's go! Sugar is the transparent glitter of uneven shape, similar to sugar crystals. And since it is transparent, the background color stays visible. The application is very easy and doesn't require any special skills. Let me show you how you can do it. I love the look of sugar on nude nails. It is very light and tender. You can cover the whole nail or make just sugar elements, like here. In this design, I already built my model nails with the Mosaic Zephyr Cover Pink Gel, which has a very nice shade, matching most of skin types. I apply a perfect top gel and carefully pour the sugar glitter on top of it. And now I will cure it in the lamp. When it's cured, remove the excess of glitter using a glitter duster brush. And that's all. It's ready to go. Now let's sugar dust a gel polish. It is a hybrid gel polish called Mom's Polish from UV Lux series. Apply a coat or two, depending on the surface, and pour the sugar glitter on top. You can always add more glitter if you are not satisfied with the look. Easy and absolutely fail-proof technique. And of course, don't forget to cure it in the lamp. Now, let's bring more bright colors. This is the fun part. Fresh and sweet look. You can mix any bright colors. The background I will do with Mosaic neon gel paints. They are highly pigmented and allow fast one-layer application. Using a gel builder brush number 6, I apply color by color from the cuticle to the edge. Don't forget to clean your brush after each color. After applying, fade the color borders, moving the brush downwards. Don't try to be very precise. We are not making a perfect color gradient. Sugar will hide all imperfections. Pour the sugar glitter on top and lightly remove the excess. Cure in the lamp. Remove the sugar excess and enjoy your sweet manicure. And please, let me know in comments to this video what you would like to learn. Subscribe to my channel and become a pro with Mosaic Professionals.